Hi! In front of me is VIVO T1 Pro 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Apps. Now select App Clone and tap on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. I will go with Facebook. Now you need to wait. And when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, access exactly the same settings and tap on this now blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!